Is your Boost mobile phone showing roaming even when you're in an area with good Verizon coverage? Roaming means your phone is connecting to another carrier's network instead of Boost Mobile's primary partner, Verizon. This often leads to slower data and potentially unexpected charges. This issue typically arises from incorrect network selection or APN, access point name, settings. Boost Mobile primarily uses Verizon's CDMA and LTE 5G networks, so ensuring your phone is properly connected to these is key. By October 2025, Boost recommends that users check carrier updates via the Boost app or by dialing 463 on Android devices to force network refreshes. A key recent change is Boost's push for eSIM adoption on compatible phones, which has reduced roaming issues by 20% in pilot programs. First, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets network connections and can resolve temporary glitches. Next, check your network settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type, and select LTE 5G or CDMA LTE to ensure compatibility with Boost's Verizon network. Then, manually select the Verizon network. In the same mobile network menu, go to Network Operators, search for Networks, and choose Verizon to override automatic selection. If that doesn't work, reset your APN settings. Navigate to Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names, and reset to defaults, or confirm the APN is set to Boost for proper data connection. Next, ensure your phone's operating system and carrier updates are installed. Check for updates in Settings, System, Software Update to fix compatibility issues. Finally, if you're still having problems, consider swapping your SIM card or switching to eSIM through the Boost mobile app. These steps work on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure to contact Boost support if the problem is unresolved.